Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will delve into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 27th of November, 2024, and now we are here to present you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to overlook any significant updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive a complimentary price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 11th of November 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.26. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has seen a decline of 17.66%. This equates to an average daily loss of approximately 1.36% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are anticipated. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of approximately 9% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of nearly 24% to an increase of 32%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 3% over the upcoming year, with potential returns between a loss of nearly 9% and a gain of 167%. This corresponds to a price range from approximately $24.57 to $71.99 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, SOXL ETF downgraded to strong sell candidate. The SOXL ETF price experienced a decline of 4.05% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 27th of November, 2024. The price dropped from $28.12 to $26.98. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 8.47%, reaching a low of $25.58 and a high of $27.75. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown volatility, resulting in an overall loss of 8.94%. Additionally, trading volume increased by 11 million shares on the last day, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This situation may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 82 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $2.21 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $70.08, while the lowest price was $21.29. Currently, the price stands at 61.5%, or $43.10, below the 52-week high, and 92.87%, or $351.26, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of November, 2020. At that time, the price peaked at $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange Traded Fund, or SOXL, has garnered significant attention from investors due to its volatile nature and impressive historical returns. Since late October 2023, SOXL recorded gains nearing 400% before experiencing a substantial correction that halved shareholder value since its peak in July. This volatility introduces heightened risks, particularly as the semiconductor sector navigates a challenging technical environment and elevated valuations, with insider selling adding to the concerns. Despite these challenges, the semiconductor industry has exhibited remarkable growth. SOXL has achieved returns exceeding 2,085% over the last decade. Recent years have demonstrated strong demand, fueled by advancements in cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. This ongoing bullish trend has been backed by a robust market for semiconductor sales, contributing to an approximate 80% increase in the S&P 500 Semiconductors Index this year. Earnings reports from major players like Intel and AMD are approaching, which could substantially impact SOXL's performance in the short term. Hedge funds are actively positioning themselves in technology stocks, anticipating potential interest rate cuts, which further bolsters market sentiment. However, investors should remain cautious about the volatility associated with SOXL. In the long term, the demand for specialized chips in rapidly expanding sectors, such as artificial intelligence and data centers, indicates that while SOXL could benefit from ongoing market interest, it necessitates careful navigation due to its inherent risks. The landscape suggests potential for growth. Nonetheless, volatility could lead to sharp fluctuations that may affect stock prices in both directions. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 15th of November, 2024. So far, it has risen by 1.2%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been reported, which may influence the near-term development. The SOXL Exchange Traded Fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more pessimistic forecast for the fund. Additionally, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $28.05 and $32.58. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence indicator. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the fund should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence-divergence. A sell signal has been indicated. Pivots. A buy signal was noted 9 days prior. Bollinger Bands. A buy signal occurred 159 days ago. The short-term moving average. A sell signal was observed 3 days ago. The long-term moving average. A sell signal was noted 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 25 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see the following. The short moving average, a sell signal, was identified 14 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal, was observed 91 days prior. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 81 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $26.66. This level may present a buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Given the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is classified as high risk. In the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $2.17 between its high and low, which is an 8.47% change. Over the last week, the ETF has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 7.11%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $30.07. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $26.66. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been set. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? Currently, SOXL presents several negative indicators and is positioned within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate a continued weak performance in the coming days or weeks. As a result, our evaluation of this ETF is negative. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems identify that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 29th of November, we expect SOXL to open down by approximately 209/100ths of a dollar and commence trading at $26.77. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.